as a business owner or a marketing manager of a restoration company, you no doubt have done this. You needed to hire a company to do your internet marketing, your SEO, your website, your social media. You find one, you use them, doesn't work out. You find another one, use them, doesn't work out. Can you see where we're going with that? It can happen over and over again. You need to vet a new company like you would an employee. I'm here with Dan York of Stellar eMarketing, waterdamagemarketing.com, who has a few words of advice about doing that, finding the right fit. Dan?
Yep. So first of all, what you talk about, we call company hopping. Going from one company to the next every 3 to 6 months or whatever. And it's actually not just limited to internet marketing. It's limited to any sort of marketing that you're going to do. But with any form of marketing or any type of industry, but again, being specific to water damage, you want to work with guys that actually know your industry, because every single business has its nuances. It has its own type of clientele that respond to different things. They respond to different emotions. They respond to different marketing pieces and websites, etc. So, when you're in the water damage business, is very appealing for different marketing companies, because you've got contractors they're hustlers. They work fast. They move fast. It's a very profitable business. These guys have marketing budgets. They know they need the marketing. So a lot of guys come in and leave every few years. But it's just really simple. When you're talking to them, you don't want to deal with one of these new guys. And I'm not trying to shut their doors, but you need to work with somebody where you don't have downtime, because you'll have 6 months of downtime while they learn your business. And what you don't want to do is pay them to learn your business.
Yeah.
You want to hit the ground running, right? So just ask them basic questions like, how long have you worked in the restoration industry? You can even get so deep.
What's an air mover?
Yeah, exactly. What's an air mover? What's the IICRC? Ask them questions like this, and if they draw a blank, you know what you've got.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And
Sure.
If you just want to ask, like I had one guy go, hey, he's like, have you ever heard of Cleanfax magazine? This is an actual
I like
guy.
the story.
I know, it's a great story and totally true. And the fact that I was like, oh yeah, I've written articles for them, and and Jeff and I, we do interviews and stuff. I mean, that's all I said, and he was like a done deal.
Where's my cut?
That's where, yeah, commission checks are on the way. But I mean, you just got to be really logical about it. What do you know about the industry? Who have you worked with? And like, what do you know about marketing to the type of people that are responding to an emergency call, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And just don't listen to the sales pitch about, here's everybody's sales pitch. We're the best. Who you're using sucks. We're the best. Forget all that.
Every company does that.
Everybody says that. And you just got to let that go in one ear and out the other. And that's really as simple as it is.
Okay, let's take a road trip back here.
Okay.
So I noticed something on your screen. Maybe we can look in here. We got some really cool results here from marketing, internet marketing. But I noticed Cleanfax is all over your website. How about that? We've done some videos together.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you need some good advice, you can get it at Cleanfax
Have I
Dan.
bought market share into Cleanfax yet?
I think we owe you something.
Do we? Okay.
Thanks, Dan.
Yeah, well, we've done a lot of interviews together, and we definitely, it's a credibility thing for us too. I mean, Cleanfax is respected. You're known. You guys are known, and again, just based on what I said, they want to work with somebody who knows the business, and the fact that we do interviews, it's good for us. It shows that we know the business too.
All right, thanks, Dan.
You bet. Thanks.
And what we're going to talk about is how you might, as a business owner or a marketing person, vet, kind of like hiring a new employee, someone to do the marketing for your company. And there goes Larry.
There goes Larry.